Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this, which is the Microsoft Wireless 800 wireless keyboard, which is something I bought a few years ago. I filmed this footage a while back, but I'm just finally doing the voiceover for it. So in the pack we get the Microsoft Wireless Keyboard 800, the Microsoft Wireless Mouse 1000, and some batteries, and of course the appropriate dongle. So in this video today we're just going to open it up and we're going to set it up. So let's get this package opened up. As you can see, I've got my Knights of Malta letter opener, which is what we're going to use today. So let's open up this box and let's have a look what we've got. Now, for some reason, when I originally filmed this, I decided to film two angles of it. I have absolutely no idea why I decided to do that. But anyway, you can see the side angle up in the top corner. And you can see the main angle obviously as the main screen. So here we are. So this is what the box looks like. It's got a photo of the product on, as boxes usually do. On the back it's got same photos with different labels for all the different function keys. It does have quite a lot of function keys. This keyboard's compatible with Mac, compatible with Windows, and compatible with Linux. I've never known any keyboard to not be compatible with every computer. I think that they just use the standard like USB protocol, but maybe there are some, I don't know. Now, I'm not having good success opening up this box. Very secure tape, that's the main review I think of the box. Let's give it a second, we will have it open. Let's just try this bit here. Oh, no. Yeah, use the knife. Letter openers are blunt, which is quite annoying. I need a big knife. I need a big Stanley knife. I actually might do a video showing you which knives and things I use, because I actually have a really good one now. But back then I just used this letter opener. There we go. I think I got it. There we go. Well, thanks so much for waiting, everyone, for that to open up. Let's open this packet and let's have a look what's inside. Is this the final? Is it opening? Yeah, it is. There we are. At last, we're open. And there we go, we can finally see the keyboard. As you can see, it comes in wrapped in plastic, which is all very nice. Battery's very visible, mouse very visible, which is absolutely ideal. You can just see everything that we need. So let's just set that back there. So here we are, we'll look at the mouse first. And we'll fold that, yep. Is that going to stay? It should do. Yep, there we go. This is from another sideboard in my house, by the way. That's why it looks like such a nice cabinet. I think about a week after we filmed this, we dropped something on it and it got a dent, so that's unfortunate. Mention this comment if you remember next time you see the sideboard. I'm going to film more videos here. So here we go. So there's the mouse. I'm wrestling with this box, which I'm sure is what you want to see. Oh, there's the batteries, Duracell, and the dongle, so make sure you don't lose them. And the information as well. This keyboard, I'm pretty sure when I bought it, the Microsoft logo had just changed. So it's, I think, one of the first products that I got that has the Microsoft logo, the new one, on, which is quite cool. So open it up. There we go. We've got the dongle. Very important not to lose this. Now, this sticks out from your computer by about 1 centimetre. I do actually still have this keyboard. This was filmed several years ago because it mentions Windows XP still on the box. So this was this keyboard was released years ago, and I've had it for absolutely years. It must be at least 10 years now, and it still works absolutely fine. So there we go. Comes with Duracell batteries. That's a good sign of quality. If it comes with nice branded batteries, you know it's a good product. So there we go. We'll set these batteries at the back into the groove at the back of this sideboard, which I think is for storing plates originally. We don't have any there now, but it's originally for storing plates. There we go, very nice. And now let's open up this keyboard. Are we going to open the keyboard? Yes, we are. Okay, clean up first. And there we go, we're going to open up the main keyboard itself. Now this keyboard's actually I was really impressed with it. Like I say, I still have it to this day. And the keys feel really good. It's got really good function keys on it as well. When you put the legs up, it's got really good height, which is always very important for a keyboard. And it's very solid feeling. Also, when typing, I've never had an issue where I've missed any keys. I never missed any keystrokes. Sometimes keyboards do this. I've also never had problems where sometimes if you press multiple keys it doesn't send. This keyboard always seems to do that, which is what I'd expect from Microsoft. I think the main reason people buy peripherals from Microsoft is that they know that they're of reasonable enough quality. But there, let's just have a look in our manual, see if we have anything particularly interesting here. I don't think we do. No, we do not. So let's put that straight back in the bag. There we go. So it's just your standard warranty. Oh no, we do. There we go. We're opening it up. There we go. So we've got our setup guide. I think if you need a setup guide for a keyboard, I think there's perhaps something wrong. You don't need to. You shouldn't be out on your own. We've got our warranty, our safe disposal information. If you want to put it in the bin, I'd recommend not doing that because it's actually quite a good keyboard. We've got our instruction manual in a million languages. So whichever one's your favourite, you can have a read of your warranty. Product guide. Again, more nonsense. I think that's about all that we need to know about that. I don't think anyone ever reads their manuals. So let's get this keyboard set up. So as you can see, I've set up a compact laptop. You can tell how old this video is by the fact that I'm running Windows 7. I don't think it was even out of date when I filmed this. Or maybe it was. There's a notice up in the corner of the screen. I can't quite see it, but that might actually be saying Windows is going out of date. So that'll very much... Oh, there we are. Close it down. And it's back. And it's gone. There we go. So, yeah, there we go. So we can see we've got the keyboard, we've got the mouse, and we take the dongle out. It does store in the bottom of the mouse, which is very good. I think I put batteries in at this point. I did, yeah. So we'll pop the dongle in. There we go. So we've got the Finding USB notice up. This, of course, Windows 7, so it does take a few seconds. Alright, so that'll be all working now. So let's just talk about the actual quality of this product. So I've always, when I do these videos where I talk about stuff, I don't just talk about my own experience, but I go on Amazon, I have a look at the Amazon reviews. By the way, I'm going to put in the description of this video a link to this keyboard on Amazon and the newer model as well. Like I said, this video's filmed a few years ago, so I'm going to put a link to the original product, this one, but also the link to the newer version if you want to buy that one. So I always have a look in the Amazon listing to see what customers say, because people always put reviews on there, and often the reviews are quite good. I'm not really sure what incentivizes people to write reviews on Amazon. I don't know if there's a program, but anyway. So what customers say about this product is that they really like the functionality of it. I'd agree with that. People say they like the ease of use on it. I would agree with that as well. Nice and simple. You plug it in, it should just work. Particularly on newer computers, I think that the drivers are built into Windows, built into Mac have got much better over the years. So you plug a keyboard in, it works immediately. Same with Linux as well. Like I said, I still got this keyboard now, so I still use it regularly with my Linux MacBook Pro. I still use it on my Windows computer. Never had any problems with it. Going back to the Amazon reviews, people say it works well, easy to set up, simple and stylish design. Yep, I'd agree with that very much. People happy with the wireless range. Yeah, actually, I was impressed by that. So I used this keyboard very briefly on a media TV, and I was quite impressed that I was able to use the mouse pretty much across a reasonably sized room, quite a big lounge. I had no problems with that. It says on Amazon here, some customers unhappy with keyboard quality, mouth responsiveness and lag. I'd say I've never experienced any issues with that. And I don't know why anyone would moan about that. Most reviews on this product online, 49%, are listed as 5-star. Some guy here says he opens the box for 5 minutes and he's comfortably writing this review with the keyboard. There we are. My machine, which runs Windows XP and 1GB of RAM. This review was from 2023. So a guy with 1GB of RAM. In 2023, running Windows XP, says that he likes the keyboard, so that's clearly a professional there. It's got a calculator button, it does indeed, yep, key feature. A play and pause button, it does. The Windows key has the Windows logo on it, that's a feature this review mentioned. Anything else of note? No, but like I say, I've been very happy with this keyboard, I've not had any problems with it. You should buy it. If you've sat here for about 9 minutes listening to me ramble on about this keyboard, you clearly are interested in the keyboard, so should absolutely buy it. So I think that's about enough from me. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to leave us a like. If you want to see more videos from me, including things that are a bit rambly, like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you've got any thoughts about this keyboard, or if you've ever used a similar keyboard, feel free to leave that in the comments down below. So I think we've just got one more thing for this video, and that is, as always, a video of a train.